we're going to subtract polynomials. We have 2x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 8x squared minus 6x minus 3, and we're subtracting 6x to the fourth minus 8x squared plus 2x. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is to rewrite this subtraction without the parentheses. And to do that for the first polynomial, all I need to do is just not write the parentheses. So I can write 2x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 8x squared minus 6x minus 3. This next pair of parentheses is preceded by a negative sign, a minus sign. So to remove this set of parentheses, I can just change the sign of every term inside the parentheses. So doing that, changing the sign of 6x to the fourth, I have minus 6x to the fourth. Changing the sign here, I have plus 8x squared. And then changing this sign, I have minus 2 times x. And now we need to collect like terms. And let's just look through here. I have an x to the fourth term here and an x to the fourth term here. And I can collect those terms by adding their coefficients. So I have 2 minus 6 times x to the fourth. Here is an x cubed term, and it's the only one we have, so we'll just write plus x cubed. There's an x squared term here, and there's one over here. So we'll add those coefficients, negative 8 plus 8, x squared. And here's an x term, and here's an x term, so we can write plus negative 6 minus 2 times x. And there's a constant term, negative 3, and it is the only constant term, so we'll just write negative 3. And now we just simplify. 2 minus 6 is negative 4, so we have negative 4x to the fourth plus x cubed. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0, so we have 0x squared or just 0. We don't need to write that. And negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8, so we have minus 8x. And finally we have minus 3. So this is the difference of these two polynomials.